In this video, we're going to cover another PHP data type. It's the null data type. So in PHP, when we create a variable and we don't assign any value to it, so at the beginning, this variable is going to have no value, or it's going to be of type null. So let's create a variable and call it no value variable. So if we dump this variable, okay, what we're going to get is null. Okay, so now let's give our variable a value. So let's set it to number 5, for example. Okay, now if we dump the variable after a line break, we'll see that our variable now has got a value of 5. Okay, now we can empty any variable by setting it to null. Okay, so let's do that. I'm going to set it to null. Okay, and now if we have a line break and dump our variable again, we will see that the new value of our variable is null. Okay, which means that our variable is empty.